Have you ever fallen for someone who treated you like an option while you treated them like a priority? It hurts, right? And the worst part is you knew they weren't right for you, but your heart didn't listen. If this sounds like you, don't worry. This video is going to explain exactly why this keeps happening and how you can break the cycle for good. Here's the truth most people never hear it. We don't fall in love with what's healthy. We fall in love with what feels familiar. If you grew up feeling like you had to earn love, if compliments were rare but criticism was normal, if you were made to believe that love means struggle, then as an adult, your brain looks for that same pattern again. Because it feels like home. That's why you chase people who are emotionally unavailable. That's why you ignore red flags. That's why someone who treats you kindly sometimes feels boring. You're not addicted to the person, you're addicted to the feeling of trying to be enough. Psychologists call this attachment anxiety. It turns love into a mission. Instead of a connection, you try harder. Even when they pull away, you wait longer. Even when they stop caring, you blame yourself. Even when they're clearly wrong. But listen, there is a moment, a powerful one, where everything can change. It's when you finally realize you deserve a love that doesn't break you to keep you. So let's talk about how to fix this. First, become aware of your pattern. What type of person do you keep choosing? And why? Write it down. A pattern becomes weaker when you can see it clearly. Second, choose people who choose you. If someone makes you question your worth, if they make you anxious more than they make you happy, that is not love. That is confusion wearing a mask. Third, heal the belief behind the behavior. I must suffer to earn love. No, love is not earned. It is shared. You don't chase love, you receive it. So, here's your reminder. You are not hard to love. You are just trying to love the wrong people. When you finally stop fighting for someone who doesn't care, you make space for someone who will give you everything you deserve. If this message felt like it was just for you, that means you're ready for a different kind of love. So stay with this journey, because in the next video, I'll show you the hidden signs someone is emotionally unavailable before you fall for them. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's build the love you've always deserved. Together.